If you've been following us, Wendy and I have been moving our little floating home, Galopin, around Cabo Verde. And now, this is where we call home, Baie d'Anne in Dakar, Senegal. I made a promise to Wendy that I would take her to Dakar someday, and here we are. And there's lots that I want her to experience.
Okay, me and Wendy are going to the French restaurant La Corvette to have French food. It's a special place there. Been around for like 40 years. And I love the food. Plus they have delicious rosé wine. And I think me and Wendy are gonna have a little bottle of that. This cool restaurant La Corvette here. It's been here for years. And just amazing French food. Been here I think 40 years or something. And it's on the beach and it's quiet. It's busy on weekends, but we have the place to ourselves, me and Wendy. So fanush. Wendy, vous gostez de rosé?
Yeah.
Good. Wendy's a star here, man. Everywhere we walk, everybody's looking at her like, oh my God, she is so awesome, so beautiful. My friend Badu said, did you bring back Miss Cape Verde? She's the most beautiful thing.
So cool, man. Sap.
Carpaccioed beef. Parmesan. And here we have a croustillant de chèvre. Goat cheese, crispy.
Agora estamos já em fundo, poder. Quero gostar de pouco comida na história, mas.
Não, mas aquela é especial. Wendy likes French food. Ela gosta de comida francesa. Now that looks super delicious, man. Oh my God, is that goat cheese thing? Oh.
So nice.
That is one of the best tasting things I've ever tasted in my life. Wow. Oh my God.
Sap, sap, sap.
Sap, sap, sap. Now Wendy's tasting out. She's gonna take a picture. Wendy's just like, whoa, enthralled by her. Pasta puttanesca. Wow. And me, I have tenderloin of pork with apple and the mashed potato. But Wendy's just like thrilled. Me and Wendy are going through this market here in Colomban. We just went to this crazy place where they sold all these cool, cute, sexy outfits for Wendy for cheap. We didn't film in there because we didn't want to insult anybody, but we'll come back. I thought that could be a cool job for Wendy. She could be a buyer. She has good taste, what the girls like back in Saint Vincent. So now we spent about 50 bucks. Now we're going back to the boat. Anton, Wendy. Che vuoi contare la tua esperienza là nel Market Colomban?
So nice, so nice.
So coisa nice. Então, não me voltar?
Ja, klaar. Klaar, wat heb ik nog?
Tu na vontade, ok, cool. Okay, tem medo?
Não.
Now? Good, cool, gentle, cool, my boy? Yeah, okay. Crazy, man, huh? Oi.
That was a successful reconnaissance mission. We went with limited funds to see what Colomban market was like, and we felt pretty comfortable. Again, this was a promise I made, to find great stuff at bargain prices. Now let's see how all this fits.
All this cheap. Brasil. maniera, sì, man. Wow.
Alex, olha. Senti.
Maria transparente.
Elle fait ça.
On dit en espagnol, vous savez? Me and Wendy are getting lost in this labyrinth of store clothes. Too grand.
Hey, mais il faut payer.
Hein?
Il faut payer.
Tu me payes? Regarde.
Il faut payer chaque seconde. Chaque
Regarde,
seconde.
regarde ce que je filme.
Non, mais c'est toi-même.
Ah, je paye moi-même. Tu vois, je me paye moi-même.
Mais si c'est ici, moi, tu dois faire.
Now, this was serious. We had scouted the market yesterday, brought a little more money, so let's start shopping. Man, it was so hot in there. Looking here, there, so much to see, so much to check out. Wendy, man, she was in clothes shopping heaven. I was sweating bullets.
Tá boa experiência ali.
Tive experiência, nice por acaso. Só roupa nice, de boa qualidade. Barato também, ou não, Alex? Barato. Tô aí bonito. Diferente roupa, eu tinha diferente roupa de São Sims, nem roupa tudo igual, vou entender?
Então, onde não está, você perdeu ou tu sabe onde não está?
Não perdi sim. Não, quando eu estava bem, nunca perdi, não vê direto, mas ali dentro não perdi que ele tinha grande. Ele tinha banda.
Tinha banda, tinha passagem.
Tinha banda, tinha gente.
Ok, não tinha boa coisa.
Il y en a couleur, il y en a blanc, il y en a noir.
L'été branco, preto. Sim.
Then we stopped at a little shop that pleased us, but the seller was relaxed and not too pushy. Then we were hungry.
So it's so cool here, man. We're eating in a little store. The store belongs to Khalidou. We bought a bunch of inexpensive clothes for him. It was really cool. And we said we wanted to eat something. And they brought us some food. The food is absolutely delicious. Love this African food. Wendy loves it too. Comida africana.
Yeah.
Gosta?
Nice.
Okay, cool. Everybody's crazy about Wendy. Oh my God, you hit the lottery. Except one guy said to Wendy, better take care of Alex, because, you know, otherwise he's going to look at the Senegalese girls and they're going to grab him. He's like, why don't you have a Senegalese girl too? One black Senegalese and white Cabo Verdean. One for each different day. Wendy's like, no. Wendy's enough for me.
So here is the result of today. Then we needed a little finishing touch from an old friend.
Comment ça va, Alphonse? Hein, ça fait longtemps?
Oui, ça fait longtemps, oui, Dieu merci.
Ça fait... Non, ça fait pas trop longtemps, ça fait... Quoi, 3 mois qu'on s'est vu? J'ai dit que j'allais revenir avec une belle femme.
Ah oui, tu avais
Hein?
dit, et tu as respecté quoi.
It was happy times, but sometimes it's plain nasty.
So, living aboard here in Dakar, Senegal, one of the challenges you have to face and overcome is they're shitting on your boat. And they're not little tiny shits, they're big shits. Exploding shits. They're like rapid fire shit, like Uzi guns, machine guns shit. One morning I could hear something going on the hull of the boat, and I'm like, what the heck is that? Come out, and I hear it again, and it's a fucking barrage of bird shit from these big goddamn cormorants. So I've devised a plan to fight this problem. I'm gonna use my halyard and scare them off with the halyard. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.